Mistral Le Chat versus ChatGPT. Which AI chatbot is better? Choosing the right AI chatbot can make a big difference in how you get work done, how well you generate ideas, and how smoothly you interact with technology. Mistral Le Chat and ChatGPT are two powerful conversational AI tools with different strengths and use cases. Mistral Le Chat focuses on open-ended creative generation and developer flexibility, while ChatGPT shines with general-purpose conversational ability, reliability, and ecosystem integration. This comparison breaks down how each chatbot works so you can decide which one fits your needs best. Mistral Le Chat is an AI chatbot built on the Mistral AI architecture, designed for flexible, open-ended conversation and creative generation. It often excels at imaginative responses, generating text that feels natural and fluid, especially in creative writing tasks, brainstorming ideas, and exploratory discussion. Mistral Le Chat is also geared toward developers who want an adaptable model that can be fine-tuned or integrated into custom workflows. This makes it a solid choice for users who value creativity, versatile generation, and high-quality text across wide-ranging topics. However, as with many generative systems, output quality can vary slightly depending on prompt complexity and context. ChatGPT is a widely used general-purpose AI chatbot that balances factual accuracy, conversational fluency, and capability across many task types. It's designed to help with everything from answering questions and summarizing content to writing code, drafting professional documents, and offering educational help. ChatGPT also benefits from a mature ecosystem of tools and integrations, extensive safety filters, and continual updates to improve output quality and reduce errors. ChatGPT is ideal for users who want dependable answers, detailed responses, and a broad range of supported use cases without needing deep technical setup. Both chatbots can generate human-like responses and help with idea generation, writing, planning, and research, but the way they approach tasks can feel different. Mistral Le Chat may lean more toward creative expression and flexible output, while ChatGPT tends to be strong in structured tasks, factual accuracy, and multi-step reasoning. Your preference may come down to whether you prioritize imaginative generation or dependable, general-purpose performance. Feature comparison. Mistral Le Chat and ChatGPT both excel at conversational AI, but they serve slightly different purposes. Mistral Le Chat shines in creative text generation and flexible usage, making it great for imaginative or exploratory work. ChatGPT stands out for its balance of accuracy, multi-purpose capability, and robust ecosystem support, making it a reliable choice for a wide range of tasks. Final thoughts. If your priority is creative, fluid responses, and you enjoy experimenting with output style or building custom tools, Mistral Le Chat could be a great fit. If you want a dependable, versatile AI assistant with strong general-purpose performance and extensive support, ChatGPT is an excellent choice. The best AI chatbot for you ultimately depends on how you plan to use it and which strengths matter most to your workflow.